Argan oil is a popular choice for silky, smooth hair due to its hydrating boost, lightweight, and overall hair health benefits. Argan oil enhances hair growth, promotes collagen production, and combats breakage, making it a lightweight, non-greasy option suitable for dry or frizzy hair. Aloe vera, a natural conditioner, prevents frizz by retaining scalp oils, enhancing frizz, strengthening and locking in moisture, making it a popular hair care product. Shampoo often strips hair's natural oil, causing dryness and frizz. Chamomile oil, rich in vitamins and nutrients, restores hair's oil balance, keeps it hydrated, and effectively detangles dry hair. It absorbs into the hair shaft, protects against split ends, and reduces scalp irritation and frizz. Almond oil, rich in fatty acids, can hydrate hair ends, reduce frizz, and improve hair manageability by preventing moisture loss and enhancing hair elasticity. Coconut oil can help manage frizz by rubbing it between fingers and running it through frizzy areas. It can also be used in frizz-fighting serums to nourish and strengthen hair. Using coconut oil in hair serums or masks can also eliminate frizz due to its cuticle smoothing properties.